Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, so for this question, unfortunately, you are not providing what chemical equation you are employing in order to generate the acetic acid. But regardless, we can find a general way to get that result. Let's say that we have a certain reaction that combines a certain amount of two different substances, A and B, in order to produce acetic acid, right? And if you're given the quantity that you have of A and B, what you need to do is use the stoichiometric relationship in order to get the final result of the grams of acetic acid that are going to be produced. So um, let's say that we have like X amount of grams of A, right? Of course, this is going to depend on the actual reaction that you're going to be dealing with. But let's say that also the molecular weight of A, we're going to call it MWA, right? This is the value for the molecular weight that you're going to have. So in order to know how much of acetic acid can be produced, what we're going to do is take X grams of A, we're going to divide it by the molecular weight of A. Remember that this is going to be in grams per mole. So this is going to give us moles of A. And then we're going to use the stoichiometric relationship. In this case, this tells us that A of A reacts to produce 1 of acetic acid. So A mole of A is equivalent to 1 mole of acetic acid. And finally, we're going to multiply this by the molecular weight of acetic acid, which is 60 grams per mole of acetic acid. And this is going to give us the final result. So the only thing that you need to do in order to get the correct answer is identify what is the actual reaction that you're employing that you didn't provide in this question, what is the amount of grams of A of the limiting reagent that you're going to be employing, and identify the stoichiometric relationship in between the reactant that you're using and the final product that we want to get. And of course, calculate the molecular weight of the limiting reagent that you will use. And that would be all.